The law of 3 to 7, the natural order of the universe. Question. The master mentioned the law of 3 to 7, but why should it be 3.7 instead of 7.3? Answer. This is a very important concept. Why can't it be 7.3 instead? First, where are we? We are in a place that operates with 30% energy. And who are we? We are beings that exist within this 30% energy realm on Earth. This means that our world functions within the 3.7 principle. The smaller part, 3, must always come first, followed by the larger part, 7. For example, when discussing Korea, if something originates from the north, we say north-south, Bugnam. If something originates from the south, we say south-north, Nambug. Similarly, when referring to relations between South Korea and the US, we say Korea-US, Hanmi, rather than US-Korea. This pattern follows the natural order of things, the structure of the universe, and the 3.7 principle. We live in a three-dimensional world where 30% of the universe's energy is actively operating. This means that our galaxy functions with only 30% of its total mass, while the remaining 70% is stationary, non-material energy. Even though the 70% energy is vast, it remains still, while the active 30% is in motion, managing changes and transformations. Thus, this law applies universally. Earth was formed based on the 3.7 principle. Water makes up 70% of Earth, while land occupies only 30%. The Korean peninsula is structured as 3,000 li in length and 7,000 li in circumference. Mountains cover 70% of Korea, while fields make up 30%. The oceans hold 70% of the Earth's surface, while continents form 30%. How the human body follows the 3.7 principle. Our bodies are also structured based on this principle. 70% of the human body is water, while 30% is solid mass. The body has 7 openings in the upper part, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, and 3 in the lower part. Bones and limbs are segmented into 3 parts. Fingers are divided into 3 sections. This law extends beyond just the Earth and our bodies. It applies to the entire universe. The moon, for instance, was placed near Earth with the right mass to regulate water movement. Tides, ocean currents, and even the way gravity interacts with celestial bodies all follow this pattern. Why 3.7 instead of 7.3? The smaller part, 3, must always come first, followed by the larger part, 7, because this reflects the natural order of energy and mass distribution in the universe. The 3 represents active operation, while 7 represents a stable foundation. By understanding the law of 3 to 7, we can better grasp the structure of science, nature, and the universe itself. It provides a framework for analyzing how everything functions, from human existence to cosmic principles. So remember, it should always be 3.7, not 7.3.